never had doubts about what I wanted to do. I've devoted my career to defining and crafting tone that speaks to me and works for the music I make. Honestly, for me, it's all about texture. Texture is what creates a sound. And when we have the right tools at our fingertips, we're able to put that perfect sound into the world, into the music, and we're able to communicate the exact feeling we're trying to achieve. Sound with texture is everything to me.
I think I had a lot to say before I knew I was allowed to say it. I love that I've always been able to record on my own, and that wasn't something that was out of reach for me. It's never been my first and foremost professional pursuit. It's always been like my journal, and I keep it forever. I will always cherish the time I get, me and a microphone by myself in my bedroom, just making songs in a way that I would want people to hear them. I don't just make music, I am my music. I write songs to express a part of me, and what I use to put songs together needs to reflect that.
When I'm on stage, that is the most authentic version of me that people will ever see. It's when I feel the most confident, and it's a really cool reminder to myself that this is really what I'm supposed to be doing and where I'm supposed to be. As an artist, I have a connection with music that makes me feel really special. It's such a crazy feeling getting on stage in a room full of people and not knowing what to expect, but it's beautiful and a little scary at the same time. But then hearing the crowd sing my songs back to me is incredibly empowering. The voice is an instrument in its own right. The tools that I use on stage and in the studio reflect the truest version of that.
You always need to be teaching me something I don't seem to know. I keep on asking if I'll ever be enough, but all the while, I know.
I've always known this is what I've wanted to do. There's been no plan B.
I wake up in the morning thinking about recording. Had a dream last night that I was really dipping in the boring. Up in my city, everybody messing with me, cause I kept it genuine and never tried too hard to fit in. See, this is me. I'm hoping it all works out in the end for you and the team and you and the pen. I never was that potential within. It's sad to see that this is the end, because I hope that we would all win. That we would all win. Ay.
Knowing you have the right tools allows you to put all your creative energy into just focusing on the music. Once you have the gear you like and trust, you can take it anywhere.